If you're a life coach, business coach, or consultant, you've probably been told that to run a successful online business, you need a website builder, an email marketing tool, a calendar app, a course hosting platform, and a payment processor. And you've probably spent weeks, maybe months, trying to duct tape them all together using Zapier, only to have a client's onboarding email fail to send because one connection broke. I know, because I did exactly that. For years, we ran our coaching business on Kajabi. It's a great platform for course creators, but for coaches, it was missing the core CRM and pipeline features we needed to actually track leads and close high-ticket clients. We were paying premium prices, but still having to bolt on 3 other tools just to function. That's the tech overwhelm trap. It keeps brilliant coaches stuck playing IT manager instead of actually coaching. But last year, we made a massive switch. We moved everything, our entire ecosystem, over to GoHighLevel, and it completely transformed how we operate. It's the undisputed best CRM for coaches in 2026. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly why we finally left Kajabi and how you can replicate our exact setup. In fact, you can click the link in the description right now to get a 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel and our Coachcraft Academy Snapshot. It gives you our pre-built funnels, pipelines, and calendars instantly. Plus, you'll get access to our weekly live support sessions. Hosted by an ICF certified coach to help you launch. Let's dive into why this platform changes everything. The biggest mistake most coaches make when choosing software is buying a broadcasting tool when they actually need a pipeline tool. Platforms like Kajabi or Mailchimp are built for broadcasting. You build an email list, you send a newsletter, and you hope someone buys a $97 course. That's great for volume. But if you're selling a $3,000 or $5,000 high-ticket coaching program, you don't need volume. You need relationships. You need a pipeline. And this is where GoHighLevel completely outclasses the competition. GHL is, at its core, a true CRM. When a lead comes in, they don't just become a row on a spreadsheet. They enter a visual pipeline. I can see exactly where every prospect is. More importantly, I can see every interaction I've ever had with that person in one unified thread. Emails, texts, Instagram, it's all in one place. When you're selling high-ticket coaching, the sale happens in the DMs and on the phone. If your software doesn't track those, you're losing money. The second reason we switched is the difference between an autoresponder and true automation. Most platforms give you basic autoresponders. Someone downloads your lead magnet and they get a sequence of 5 emails over 5 days. That's fine for 2015, but clients expect more. GoHighLevel's workflow builder is the most powerful automation engine I've ever seen. It doesn't just send emails, it reacts to behavior. For example, if someone books a call, GHL moves them to the booked call stage, sends confirmations, and even triggers reminders. If they become a client, the system automatically sends the Stripe link, grants course access, and sends the onboarding form. 0 manual data entry, 0 duct taping apps together. It makes your coaching business look incredibly professional and premium. Now, I know what you might be thinking. John, this sounds amazing, but building all those pipelines and workflows sounds like a nightmare. I'm a coach, not a software engineer. And you're exactly right. The learning curve is the only real downside to GoHighLevel. That's exactly why we built the Coachcraft Academy Snapshot. When you use the link in the description to start your free trial, you don't start from a blank screen. Our snapshot automatically injects our proven coaching funnels directly into your account. And because we know tech can still be intimidating, you also get immediate access to our weekly live support sessions. Jump on a Zoom call with an ICF certified coach, and we will help you customize live. We've removed the tech barrier so you can focus on coaching. Link is in the description. Now let's talk about the final reason we left Kajabi, the economics. Let's talk about the actual cost of running a coaching business. When we were on our old tech stack, the monthly subscriptions were bleeding us dry. We were paying for Kajabi for course hosting, Calendly for booking, ActiveCampaign for advanced emails, ClickFunnels for landing pages, and Zapier to make them all talk to each other. We were easily spending $400 a month just on software subscriptions. And as our list grew, those costs kept going up. GoHighLevel replaces all of it. It has a native funnel builder that rivals ClickFunnels. It has a native calendar system that replaces Calendly. It hosts unlimited courses and memberships, replacing Kajabi or Teachable. It handles all email and two-way SMS marketing. And here's the kicker. GoHighLevel doesn't penalize you for growing. Most email platforms charge you more as your list gets bigger. GHL gives you unlimited contacts, unlimited users, and unlimited courses on their standard plan. By consolidating our tech stack into GoHighLevel, we didn't just get better features and better automation, we actually cut our software expenses by more than half. For a new coach just starting out, keeping your overhead low while maintaining a premium client experience is the difference between surviving your first year and going out of business. Look, the software you choose doesn't make you a great coach. Your frameworks, your empathy, and your ability to drive transformation, that's what makes you a great coach. But the wrong software will hold you back. It will eat up your time, frustrate your clients, and make you look like an amateur. GoHighLevel gives you the infrastructure of a seven-figure coaching business right out of the box. It gives you pipelines, automation, and consolidation to keep margins high. If you're ready to stop juggling software and start scaling your coaching business, click the link in the description below. Start your 30-day free trial. Let us install the Snapshot so you don't build from scratch. Join our weekly live calls so our coaches can help you launch. Stop playing IT manager. Start coaching. Click the link below, and I'll see you on the inside.